Hi everyone! So we are here today to talk about my night routine in depth. Did a very quick reel on it for TikTok and Instagram possibly, but we're going to talk about it a little more in depth. So I do my nighttime routine in 3 steps. While the little one is relaxing, drinking her baba, watching her nighttime Sleepy Bear or Hey Bear, whatever it's called, show, I will go ahead and remove my makeup. So that's the first thing I do outside of the shower. I use the Neutrogena Micellar Cleansing Jelly. I love the feeling of it. It just works so good. In the really dry months or when my skin is feeling extremely dehydrated, I will use plain old coconut oil, the kind you can eat. Food grade coconut oil. Perfect. Love coconut oil. I can slather my body from head to toe in it. It's an amazing product. But when I'm hydrated and my skin is hydrated, I don't need all of the extra oil and the extra fats, then I will go ahead and use a cleanser. And the Micellar Cleansing Jelly is just, that's my jam. Absolutely love it. So then after that's done, the little one's down and I'm ready to go ahead and take a shower. I go ahead and in the shower, I use 2 products. The first product is the Honest Beauty. It's the Konjac sponge, and it's just a very soft, nice way to exfoliate your face without it feeling really rough. A lot of facial exfoliators can exfoliate too much. Over exfoliation is not good for your skin either, because it's constant cell renewal and cell regeneration and making oils come to your skin, which can cause acne and other skin problems. So I use this. I get mine at Target. It's about $9.99. And then the facial cleanser I use is the Biore. Used to be called the Rose Quartz and Charcoal Face Wash. It's now called Purify and Reset. And I cannot for the life of me find it in the Target store at all. I can't find anything Biore in Target. I don't know if they no longer sell in Target. I have no idea. But they have it at Walmart, $6.87 when I checked. You could buy it at Target online for $6.99 and Amazon. You could buy it also. But I absolutely love it. It has a nice smell. The charcoal helps, clarify those pores. And the rose quartz just gives it like a nice little self-love feeling and just you're doing something for yourself. So as I'm washing my face, it just kind of reminds me that I'm doing this for me, and it's my 5 mom minutes to relax. When I'm out and I'm dry, my skin is dry, but I'm not like 10 minutes after the shower, like 5 minutes after the shower, let's say, I'll go ahead and do my skincare routine then. 2 products also, both by L'Oreal. The Age Perfect Eye Cream, love it. Slather it on under my eyes and over my eyes. And the Age Perfect Midnight Cream. I think I'm on my 3rd tub of that. I absolutely love it. It's so hydrating and so thick, and the hydration and keeping your skin really hydrated is what really avoids wrinkles. So I absolutely love it. I love it. I just don't have too many other words to say about it. I do alternate with a retinol cream. Sometimes, most of the time, I would prefer using the regular midnight cream over the retinol, especially if I know I'm going to go outside and be outside in the sun. My skin will get very sensitive, and you have to be careful with retinol because it is like they want you to use it at nighttime, because it can be activated by the sun and it could cause burning or scarring and some kind of things. So I try to stay away from anything that's too strong. I also have a bunch of other toners and cleansers and different things that I've tried, but right now that's my night routine. That's what I do at night. My day routine will be in a later video, and I'll tell you about a couple more products that I use there, only 2 or 3. I keep everything to a very minimum, very bare minimum, and being 41 and a mom working at home, always going, I don't really have time to sit down and think about it. I try to find products that work for me. The L'Oreal cream is a little more mid-range price. It's $34.99, but I love it. I'm gonna purchase the 3rd one now, and usually Target gives you like incentives, like spend $30 on beauty, get a $5 gift card. Spend $45, get a $10 gift card. So when my store has stuff, it's amazing. But other than that, I try to stick to the basics. I have so many products around here. Like, it's disgusting, because I had an entire beauty room that when I got pregnant and I had to make room for my daughter, I gave everything away. I gave everything away, like tens of thousands of dollars of products I gave away from when I used to do my YouTube. I collected so many things and bought so many things, and I gave it all away. I gave it to my friend who's actually a drag queen. Here's everything to share with the other drag queens. I know that all different shades and colors and everything would go to good use. My makeup kits, I gave everything to them free. Just take it, please. And then after I had my daughter, I'm like, I felt sad. I felt like I was missing something. So of course I collect products again. I like to try products. I try not to overbuy because that can be a problem. I like to try products, but what I have been doing recently is if I don't like it, returning it to the store. That's it. So I have so many different products to talk about that I like, that I don't like, things that work great for my skin, things that I hate. So I'm just gonna start to, like, you know, review my current collection and see what we can get rid of or give away. I don't throw anything away. I give it away to my mom or friends, people in the Buy Nothing group on Facebook. I don't know. But that is it for my in-depth night routine. It's super easy. I don't spend a lot of money. I don't spend a lot of time. I try to keep things very practical. Do I love high-end brands? Yes. Do I love low-end brands? Yes. Do I like things that work? That's really what it comes down to. I can pay $300 for cream that feels exactly the same as a $3 cream. I'm going to buy the $3 cream because that's just common sense for a single parent and for most people. I don't have money like that, but a lot of my products that I have and I use are affordable. There's not anything that you can't get your hands on. And that is it. So thank you for watching this video, and my YouTube is a lot of rambling because I love to talk and I don't really have too many people to talk to. What are you touching? But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's chat and interact, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.